morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, are you excited for our lesson for today?
Yeah!
Okay, before that, I would like you first to arrange your chairs and pick up pieces of paper so that as we go along, we are ready physically and mentally. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pose. Okay, kindly sit on yourselves because this time we shall begin our lesson by a prayer. Everybody is requested to please rise. We will have our prayer.
We thank you for the gift of life. You allow us to have another day.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, now, since everybody is excited to go with our activity for today, I would like you to please be ready. But before that, let us start with this picture. Let us see if you know what is our lesson for today. Okay. Our guide question is, can you read, everybody?
What do you observe?
Okay. Based on the picture that you see, I would like you to tell me one word that would best reflect the picture.
Sir.
Okay.
Wave,
right?
sir.
Very good. So, our lesson for today is all about wave. Okay? Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. For us to be guided, let us now have first our vision. Remember, class, that in every battle that we need to know our mission. Like soldiers, what are their mission, by the way?
To protect.
And to protect.
To
Okay, very
obtain
good.
the peace. To
Okay,
kill.
and bring down peace, to kill the assassin or whatever. This
kill
time,
the
this
villains.
is our mission, our students' mission. Okay, number one, after the lesson, the students are expected to kindly read, everybody.
In fear that waves
Carry energy.
Okay, take note, the key word is in fear that waves carry energy. So, I'd like you to try to look at the videos or the activity, try to observe what is the evidence that wave carries energy. And the second one is, everybody?
Demonstrate how waves carry energy from one place to another.
Okay, so as we go along with our lesson, you will be having your different types of activity that would demonstrate how waves carry energy from one place to another. Okay, and the last one, can you read, everybody?
Explain how waves carry energy from one place to another place.
Okay, so you are going to explain by means of reporting. So am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So every member should help each other. So the virtues I would like to see is teamwork. Okay. Now, but before we will proceed with the activity, let us first try to observe what is this picture.
Light.
Light.
bulb.
Very good.
Bulb.
Light. Okay. So, okay, can you tell me something that would tell our inner light who is your light?
Parents.
Oh, your parents will be your light? Okay, very good. The second one, what do you see?
String.
String and someone playing the guitar.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So there is, we have two guide questions. First question is, can you read, girls?
What wave is produced by picture A?
Okay.
Light wave.
Oh, very good. So my students are very bright. How about the second question, boys? Can you read?
What wave is produced by picture B?
What is the answer, boys?
Vibrator.
Vibrator?
Sound wave.
Sound wave. Very good. Okay, in our previous discussion class, you know it already that when there is vibration, sound is produced. Oh, when you hold your vocal cords and sing, you will observe that there is vibration.
Yes.
Because vibration produces sound. Okay, the answer is, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, is your answer correct?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So, first, tells us what is produced is light wave, and the second one is sound wave. Okay? Okay. This time, we will be watching a video presentation that will tell us, is it true that energy is pulse? This time, let's watch this video so that we will be able to identify or to see some evidence whether some weights produce energy. Okay.
Play.
Kusog ko dito. Ano yan?
Okay, so based on the video, I would like you to answer question number 1 and question number 2. But before that, I would like to read first. I will be the one. Does wave carries energy?
Yes.
Anybody? Yes. Very good. The second question. Cite example of the effects of energy carried by an earthquake wave. Anybody? Okay.
Destruction.
Very good. Destruction of buildings.
Magnitude.
Property.
Okay, land is disrupted.
Infrastructures.
Oh, very good.
Okay,
Okay, very good. That's it. Ma'am.
Present period.
This time, we will be doing our activity. Since we already have our groups, group of 6, I would like you to please assign your member. Each group should have, since there is only 6 members, one should be the leader, the second one is the writer, the third one is the investigator, the fourth one, reporter, the material keeper, and the last one is the timekeeper. So everybody has tasks to do. Did you get me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so group 1, your team is for peace, release. And group 2, your team is Ayuda, release. And group 3, Gracia. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I already have some materials. Kindly ask your material keeper to get your materials from you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, by the way, group 1 will perform activity 1, Dampa. Are you familiar with the game, our Filipino game?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the materials needed?
Rubber band.
Rubber band and of course, your and yourself. Then the second one is the voice. So what would probably be used? Of course, your
Voice.
Of course, your voice.
Your lips.
Okay, so the best, what is your strategy in performing the activity? And the third one is voting. Have you experienced riding on a boat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So let us put to the test your experience. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 20 points for the best team, 15 points for the second one, and the third one will receive 10 points. The rubric is already with your activity sheets. Okay, thank you very much for posting your report. This time, I would like your reporter to report the activity. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first reporter, kindly report your activity.
Okay, for group 1 for peace, we have derived with the activity that we have. Our objective was to demonstrate how sound waves carry energy. Question number 1, when which line did rubber band fall? Our answer is the rubber band falls to the third line. Number 2, how did you move the rubber band from line 1 to the other lines? Answer by tapping the floor, or in Visaya, dampa. Number 3, what is produced when you tap the floor with force? Answer, vibration, and vibration produces sound wave. Number 4, what happened to the rubber band as you tap the floor near it? Answer, the rubber band moves directly perpendicular to the direction of the sound wave. Number 5, why did the rubber band from line 1 to the next? Answer, because of the energy sound wave produced by tapping the floor or using dampa.
Okay. Good. So now let us proceed to group number 2. Leader, Miss Maricel, can you read?
Our group 2 output from the Ayuda group. Our objective is to demonstrate how sound waves carry energy. Question number 1. Did you hear your classmate talking softly? Answer, yes. Question number 2. How did your voice move from one tube to the other end? Answer, the energy of the sound travels from one tube to the other end. Number 3. What is produced when you talk? Answer, vibration is produced, sound is produced. Number 4. What did it feel when your classmates shout from the end of the tube? Our answer, the high energy of loud sound makes the ears painful. That's all.
Okay, very good. Group 2. This time, let us have group 3.
Group 3, Gracia Group. Okay, our objective, demonstrate how water waves carry energy. Question number 1, did the paper boat move in still water? Our answer is no, because there is no factor that will cause the boat move. Number 2, how did you move the paper boat? Answer, the energy from the paper carried with the waves moved the paper boat. 3, what is produced when you tap the surface water? Answer, waves produced by tapping the surface of water. 4, what happened to the paper boat as you tap the surface water? Answer, the paper moved due to the waves.
Okay, very good. Now this time, for better understanding, I have already taken your picture and your report is already encoded in 5 minutes time. So let us see what is your final output. Okay, for group 1, for this release, we have here dampa. So is the activity exciting, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I don't know whose member is that, finger or hand. So see the difference from picture A and picture B. Could you see the difference?
Yes,
sir.
Okay, anybody from the class would like to tell us what is the difference?
The rubber band moved from the start to the third line.
Very good. The rubber band moved from the starting line or the initial position to the third line. Did you get me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, based on your report, what causes the movement of the rubber band from the initial to the third line?
The
Vibration and sound.
No, air.
Oh, it could be the air, but the air plus the vibration. So the air produces vibration which move the object from initial position to the third line. So am I clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next group. The next group, your generalization. The energy of sound produced by tapping the floor moves the rubber band from line 1 to the next line. Okay. Second group. Okay. Group 2, Ayuda, the voice. So their activity is the voice. What did you observe? Really, the picture is not mine. It is your classmate's picture. Oh. Would you like, who among you would you like to answer? What did you observe? Question number 2. Anybody?
The sound carries inside the
Paper tube.
paper tube.
Very good. The sound is carried or moved
Transferred.
from
From one tube to the other.
It travels from the tube.
Yes, from the starting to the
To the other end.
Very good.
Travel there.
Okay, let us see their generalization. Okay, can you read everybody?
The energy of the sun.
Sound produced by talking loud or high energy feels painful to the ear.
Oh, so it feels painful. Therefore, energy travels from one position to the other. Okay. What is the initial position? The one who shouted or the one who is listening?
The one who shouted.
Yes, very good. Now, let us go to group 3. Gracia, activity 3, boating. Question, what makes the paper boat move? Look at the picture.
The wave by tapping the water.
Very good. By tapping the water, wave is formed and the wave enables the boat to move. Very good. What if there is no such thing as tapping the water? Will the boat move?
Yes.
Yes.
Without the air?
No.
Any factor?
No.
Very good. So our science students are very intelligent. Okay, can you read your generalization, everybody?
The energy of the finger
transferred to the water and carried by the waves and moved the paper boat.
Okay, I like the way you write it. Very simple. Oh, good. Okay, the energy of the finger transferred to the water and carried by the waves and moved the paper boat. Okay. Now, the disturbance of the water form waves. Waves carry energy that move the paper boat. But let us apply the situation to the earth. By the way, what causes waves? Kanang sa dagat class. Kung sa air?
Gravitational force of the moon.
Okay, very good. The gravitational force interacted together. The gravitational force of the moon and the earth. They are
Yes.
pulling each other. So that's the explanation. That's why the air moves together with the sun. So those are the factors that makes waves. Okay. Now, okay, the answer is already provided. How did the energy of the sun reach the plant for photosynthesis? Because there are many kinds of energy. Light, sound, and this one is light waves. Anybody that would like to read the answer?
Light waves carry energy from the sun, reach the earth and the plants.
Okay, very good. Light waves carry energy from the sun, reach the earth and the plant. So, my question, class. Will plant be able to survive in the absence of sun? No.
No.
Okay. If there is no sun, there is no life on earth. There is no water cycle, oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle. There is no plant and living things. Did you get me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This time. Okay. This time, let us test whether you understand our lesson. Simply answer question number 1 to 5 in a 1/2 crosswise. Let me read first question number 1. By the way, the direction, choose the letter that corresponds to the best answer. Question number. Okay, very good. How many of you got perfect 5?
Sir.
Okay, everybody got 5. So, to give you additional credit, merit, I would like to add you an additional 5 points for your quiz. Okay, but before we leave, let us first have our assignment. Okay? Okay. 1/2 crosswise pa din, 5 points. Okay, can you read everybody?
Light observation or situation showing carries energy.
Okay, so 3 examples or situation that shows wave carries energy. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Mr. Risonar. May the Lord reward